How to install Epson Printer Driver. Step 1. Open your browser and enter your printer model name driver download to search. Step 2. Open Epson's official support website. Step 3. Scroll and verify that the selected operating system is right. Step 4. Scroll down to the driver section and click on the plus icon to expand. Step 5. Right-click on the download button next to the latest available printer driver and click on Open Link in New tab. Step 6. Click on the Accept button to download the printer driver. Step 7. Open the printer driver file. Step 8. Check the printer model name and click on OK. Step 9. Choose your preferred language and click on OK. Step 10. Review the end-user software license agreement, select Agree and click OK. Step 11. Once the driver is successfully installed, click on OK. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.